Morning, dear children. Please open the page number 90 of your EVS textbook. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is lesson number 13, sharing our feelings. Okay, we love to share, right? As you are very small children, you love to tell each and everything to your parents or to the friends, right? Fine. Let's see. Here we are going to talk about Seema. That's a girl. Okay. And she lives with her parents. Okay. Let's see. I am Seema. I am studying in third standard. After returning home from school, there are two people with whom I like to share all my news. They enjoy listening to my tales. Okay. Uh, Here they are telling there is a girl named Seema. She is studying in the third standard, and as soon as she come back from the school, she loved to talk and share the things she has experienced during whole day with two people. Okay, and she is telling they enjoy listening to her tales. Okay, the first person is my nanny. Okay, who to enjoy the listening the tales? Okay, so the first person is her nanny. She's always anxious to listen to me. Anxious मतलब like जल्दी में होना. Okay, like curious. तो वो हमेशा क्यूरियस रहती है उसकी बातें सुनने के लिए. ठीक है. She waits for me to return from school. She is quite old and often has back pains. जो उसकी नानी है वो ऑलवेज उसकी वेट करती है स्कूल से आने का. एंड वो बहुत बूढ़ी है और उसको बैक पेन की तकलीफ़ है. ठीक है. शी कैन नॉट सी और हियर वेल. उसको ठीक से सुनाई नहीं देता और न ही दिखाई देता है. एवरी डे इन द मॉर्निंग पापा रीड्स न्यूज़पेपर अलाउड टू हर. ओके, हर रोज़ सुबह पापा उसकी नानी के लिए न्यूज़पेपर रीड करते हैं. सी डज द रेस्ट ऑफ हर वर्क हर सेल्फ. ओके, वो खुद का जो बाकी सारा काम है वो अपने आप से करती है. इफ़ समवन ट्राइज टू हेल्प हर शी गेट्स वेरी अपसेट. अगर कोई उसकी मदद करना चाहे या करे तो वो बहुत दुखी होती है. Though she cannot see properly, she is very fond of cutting vegetables. या हालांकि उनको कुछ ठीक से नहीं दिखाई देता फिर भी वो बहुत शौकीन है किस चीज़ के? तो कटिंग वेजिटेबल्स. ओके, शी सेज दिस डेज चिल्ड्रन डू नॉट नो हाउ टू कट वेजिटेबल्स प्रॉपरली. मीन्स if you have seen the various programs like Master Chef and other cooking programs, then you must seen that how differently they are cutting vegetables than us, right? For salad making they might be cut the different way. Okay, for making sabji they'll make different slices and pieces, right? So Seema's nanny says that these days children do not know how to cut vegetables properly. Okay, the second person is my Ravi Bhaiya. Okay, first person we have seen that is Seema's nanny. Now here she is telling that the second person who is always listening to her tales, that is Ravi Bhaiya. He lives with us. I call him Ravi Bhaiya and he calls my parents Bhaiya Babi. I do not know what our relationship is, but he is very loving. Okay, Seema says Ravi Bhaiya stays with them. Okay, and he calls her parents Bhaiya Babi. Actually Seema do not understand the relationship. Can you tell me what relationship will be between Seema and Ravi Bhaiya? Don't tell me that Ravi Bhaiya is her brother. Okay, you have to find out. He is always ready to answer my questions. He never says, I will tell you later. Okay, Seema says Ravi Bhaiya is always ready to answer her questions, and he never said that I will tell you later. Ravi Bhaiya teaches in a college. Okay. So do you know who teaches in a college is called? Okay, this is your homework to do. The students of the college respect him a lot. Ravi Bhaiya is very fond of listening to music and taking part in plays. He enjoys chatting with his friends and going out with them. He has a good sense of humor and makes all of us laugh. Okay. Now what Ravi Bhaiya likes? He is fond of listening to music and taking part in plays. Okay. He enjoys chatting with his friends and going out with them. He has very good sense of humor and make all of us laugh. Okay. Now, who are there in your family? Okay. So you have to write the answers of these two questions. Here you have to write whether you have your grandparents, your parents, your uncle, aunt, your siblings, your cousins. Okay, so you have to make a list who are living in your house with you. Okay, tell some specialty about everyone. Like if you have brother and he loves to cook, then it is his specialty. Okay, so whoever names you are going to write, you have to write one special thing about them. Thank you. Okay, let's go on the next page, page number 91. Let's talk about Seema's brother. Bhaiya carries a white stick when he goes out. Looking at him moving around in the house, no one can say that he cannot see. He likes to do all his work himself. If someone tries to help him against his wish, he gets angry. Whenever he needs any help, he asks for it. Okay, here we are going to talk about Seema's brother. Okay, Seema's brother carries a white stick when he goes out. Looking at him moving around in the house. Okay, if you will see as he is walking around in the house, right? No one will say that he cannot see. He like to do all his work himself, and if anybody will try to help him, he will get angry. Means if he don't want anyone to help, and if someone tries to help, then he will get angry. But no doubt whenever he needs any help, he will ask for it. Some of Bhaiya's students take books from him and return them after recording them on tapes. Ravi Bhaiya listens to these tapes. Bhaiya has many other books too. The pages of these books are thick and have rows of raised points. He reads by running his finger on the raised dots. Okay, now see. Some of Bhaiya's students take books from him and return them after recording them on tapes. And Ravi Bhaiya listens to these tapes. Okay, so it might be like this. Whatever books he is reading, that are the books for the blind people to read. Okay, actually we can read easily all the books that is written nicely, but blind people cannot read, but they have some special books that they can touch and can read. Okay, now I'm going to send you one more video after this reading session, and you will see how it works. Okay, from here we will start tomorrow. Fine. Okay, I'm marking some new words for you. You have to write 3 times in your notebook with nice handwriting. Okay, thank you.